Jing Qu Acupoint, located on the wrist, belongs to the hand, Tai Yin Lung Meridian. The Jing Qu Acupoint can treat coughing for any type of cough. How to locate the Jing Qu Acupoint? When searching for the acupoint yourself, you can follow along the wrist. On the side of the thumb, you will feel a bony protrusion, known as the styloid process of the radius. Next to it, where you can feel the pulse beating, is the radial artery. In the depression between this radial artery and the radius bone is the Jing Qu Acupoint. An even simpler method is, extend your arm with the palm facing upward, at the transverse wrist crease, one hand holding the pulse for the other hand. The middle finger will fall on the inner side of the forearm, near the styloid process of the radius. This is the location of the Jing Qu Acupoint. How to massage the Jing Qu Acupoint? When using the point method, extend your thumb straight. Use the tip of your thumb to apply pressure to the Jing Qu Acupoint. Gradually increase the pressure until you feel a slight soreness or discomfort at the acupoint. When using the kneading method, use your thumb to press firmly on the Jing Qu Acupoint, maintaining a consistent pressure. With the fingertip of your thumb, rotate and knead the acupoint in a clockwise and counterclockwise direction, about 300 times each. When kneading this acupoint, you can use slightly more force to achieve better results. When using the pressing method, slightly bend your elbow. Use the thumb of your other hand to press firmly on the Jing Qu Acupoint. Gradually apply deeper pressure. Hold for 10 seconds, then release. One press followed by one release is one cycle. Repeat this cycle for 3 minutes each time.